Hi, this is Harry Feiner with William Raveis Real Estate, the Feiner team of William Raveis Real Estate, and with Paul Addamo, our mortgage executive from William Raveis Mortgage. Hey Paul, how you doing today?
Hey Harry, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Good to always be with you. So I asked Paul to join me today because interest rates have been changing a little bit. Everybody's heard everything on the news. We don't know where everything's going because we don't have a crystal ball, but I thought Paul would give us an update on some of the programs and things that he's aware of and what the rates are running right about now.
Yeah, I'd be glad to. So in the last month or so, we've seen interest rates go up about 1%. The 30-year rate is about 4%, give or take an eighth. You know, a lot of that depends on property type, credit score, loan amount, things like that. But we're still seeing around 4%. FHA loans are a little bit less. CHFA loans, which is your first-time buyer program, that's a little bit less. But what we're seeing now, our rates are back from where we were pre-COVID. You know, March of 2020, we saw a drastic drop in rates, and now we're just going back to where they were.
Yeah, 4% is still a great. In 1986, I'm dating myself here, but I had a 16% mortgage. And every year and a half, I was getting a new mortgage as the rates were going down. Yeah. And for those of you who haven't experienced that, even 5% is a great mortgage. But
yes,
but as the rates come back to that 4% area, you do lose some buying power. So now is the time to buy.
Yep. And I'll date myself too. I'm a little younger than you, but my first rate was 13%. So 5%, 6%, around 2010, they were at 8%.
Yeah.
So if we settle between 4% and 5%, still a great rate. And we've really never seen people not shop because of interest rates.
Yeah.
It's just a little adjustment.
So where are we with our two favorites, FHA and CHFA?
Again, those are going to be, well, FHA is going to be around 3.5 to 3 3/4%. So FHA typically is a little bit less than a conventional rate. And we've seen CHFA rates right around 3 3/4 to 4%, whether it's an FHA CHFA or a conventional CHFA loan. And again, first-time buyer programs.
Yep. And what do those programs need for a credit score? Typically the lowest.
So it's hard to say because a lot of things make up the credit score. So, I mean, we have lenders that will go below 600 for a credit score.
Oh.
For an FHA loan.
Okay.
Of course, now you're getting into darker waters, but you know, 640 and up is always a good spot to be for an FHA loan. And CHFA, it's really not a credit score driven loan. We just have to see if it makes sense where the score is. But as all loans, the higher the score, the better we are.
So if somebody today wants to check what a rate would be, do they have a site? We have a site at Raveis Mortgage that they can go to?
Yep, so if they go to the main page of Raveis Mortgage towards the bottom, or not Raveis Mortgage, but the Raveis page itself,
Raveis
the
Real
website,
Estate page, yeah.
Toward the bottom is a rate watch. They could plug in, they could get daily updates or weekly updates. They just need to, again, keep in mind those rates may not be pertaining to their situation. Rates could be with the 20% down. It could be maybe counting 1 point or 1% in the rate. So they need to keep that in mind, but at least it gives them a ballpark to work with.
No. Well, there you have it. There's the update from Paul Addamo, our mortgage executive and person that I count on a regular basis to give me updates and to help my clients. And if you're looking to buy or sell, now's the time to do it. Thanks for watching the Feiner Real Estate Video Network.